New York City, a place full of life, big dreams, and endless opportunities. It's called a city that never sleeps because it's always alive with energy, whether it's business, culture, or entertainment. But before Times Square lit up the night, before Wall Street became the center of money and trade, and before millions of people from around the world called it home, New York had a long and fascinating journey. How did a small settlement turn into one of the most famous and powerful cities in the world? Let's explore its history. A long time ago, before New York became the bustling metropolis we see today, it was home to Native American tribes, mainly the Lenape people. They lived in small village, fishing, hunting and trading with other tribes. The land was peaceful, covered in forest, river and open fields. Everything changed in 1609 when an English explorer named Henry Hudson arrived while working for a European trading company. His reports about the rich land and waterways attracted settlers, and by 1624 a group of people from Europe established a small town called New Amsterdam on the southern tip of Manhattan Island. This small settlement quickly grew into a busy marketplace where people from different backgrounds bought and sold goods. In 1664, British forces took control of the settlement without a fight and renamed it New York after the Duke of York. Under British rule, the city expanded rapidly, becoming an important trade center for goods coming in and out of the American colonies. Ships arrived daily, bringing products from Europe, the Caribbean, and other parts of Northern America. But when the American colonies decided to fight for their freedom from British rule, New York became a key battleground in the American Revolution. In 1776, after the signing of the Declaration of Independence, the British took control of the city and held it for most of the war. When the war ended in 1783, New York symbolized a fresh start for the newly independent United States. It was even the first capital of the country for a short time, and in 1789 George Washington took his oath as the first US president in New York City. Although the capital later moved to Washington DC, New York remained the economic and cultural heart of the country. In the 18th, New York experienced an explosion of growth. Millions of people from Europe arrived in search of a better life, escaping poverty, war, and oppression. Most of them passed through Ellis Island, but they were greeted by the Statue of Liberty, a symbol of hope and freedom. With so many new immigrants, the city needed to expand quickly. Roads, bridges, and parks were built to accommodate the growing population. Central Park, one of the most famous parks in the world, was created to provide green space for the city residents. The Brooklyn Bridge, an engineering marvel of its time, connected Manhattan and Brooklyn, making travel between the easier. As New York grew, so did its building. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the city was transforming into a skyline filled with towering structure. The invention of the elevator and new construction techniques allowed building to rise higher than ever before. The Empire State Building, completed in 1931, became the tallest building in the world at the time, symbolized New York ambition and strength. The city was also becoming a center for business, finance, and culture. Wall Street emerged as the financial powerhouse of the world, while Broadway became famous for theater and entertainment. The arrival of film studios and music industries made New York the birthplace of many cultural movements. During World War II, New York played a significant role in supporting the war effort. After the war, the United Nations chose the city as its headquarters, making New York a global leader in politics and diplomacy. However, New York also faced tough times. The Great Depression of the 1930s brought economic struggle, and in the 1970s, crime and financial trouble shocked the city. But despite these hardships, New York continued to reinvent itself. The city remained at the center of world finance, fashion, and entertainment, always setting new trends. One of the darkest moments in New York history came on September 11, 2001, when the Twin Towers of the World Trade Center were attacked. Thousands of lives were lost, and the event deeply impacted the city and the world. But in the face of tragedy, New York showed resilience. The city rebuilt, and today One World Trade Center stands as a symbol of strength and unity. Today, New York remains a leader in business, technology, fashion, and entertainment. Millions of tourists visit its famous landmarks, including Times Square, the Statue of Liberty, the Empire State Building, and Central Park. Wall Street continues to shape the global economy, and the city influence is seen in movie, music, and art around the world. But New York is not just about its past, it is always looking toward the future. The city is investing in green energy, smart transportation, and new development like Hudson Yards. From a small trading post to one of the greatest city on earth, New York transformation is nothing short of extraordinary. It is a city built on ambition, diversity, and innovation. No matter what challenge come its way, one thing is certain: New York will always be a place where dreams come true.